Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix lag in Delta Force mobile app. So if you're currently having problems that is lagging on your Delta Force app and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So this is what I did myself. I firstly closed the Delta Force app and instead I actually went into the settings app on my phone. So now on my settings app, I just scroll down in here and then I clicked where it says general, as you can see. So now on general, I just scroll down in here again and then I clicked where it says storage. Now you're just going to simply wait for all the apps in here to load, and when it's done, you're just going to swipe up like this and then you're going to click on search up top. So click on search, and here you're just going to search like this, Delta Force, and then click on Delta Force app. Now just click on offload app and once again click on the offload app button. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. Because basically what will happen now is that you're going to now update your Delta Force app to basically completely fix the lag, or at least hopefully this will be able to completely fix this lag for you as well by actually making sure that you have their most up-to-date version of the app. And this might take a couple of seconds to a couple of minutes to complete this process, just so you know. You can see it says loading now on my app. So just wait, then when it's done, go back into the app and hopefully now it's going to work for you as well.